So last days back, one of my client asked me to revise the design. So why not try ChatGPT for this? Because AI will replace the designer. People are saying this. So why not try and handle the revision with the help of ChatGPT? Let's try it out for our real client work. So my name is Som. I'm a Canva verified expert. So in this video, we will test it out how the ChatGPT can handle the revision. So let's jump into this amazing fun video. So let's dive. So we got two requests from our client to add a logo in this design. Also, they want a different variation by using the different background. So let's try the ChatGPT. Is possible to make it inside the ChatGPT, this kind of revision. So let's try. So first I will download this design, whatever I have made it in the Canva. So I will just try to download this design, or if you want you can take the screenshot of it as well. So it's better to download because the design is in high quality. Yeah, so let's jump into the ChatGPT. So I will just open the ChatGPT, and here, so I have my design. Now I will just place it here, and I will also provide the logo. So here I have my client logo. I will just add it here and write my prompt like so it will start generating the two responses. So let's see which is better. One is loading, another one is in progress. So yeah, let's wait for it and see what it will generate. Will it actually replace the designer, or is it trying? So here we have our two images generated by the ChatGPT. First is, this is like, it is cropped, like the bottom details it's cropped by the ChatGPT. Also the logo is also cropped, and when I zoom it, you can see the logo is completely changed whatever I have given it to you. And also you can see this is not in top right corner. Even the size is also a big matter. So if you can do this kind of changes in Canva, it will take hardly 10 seconds to handle it. And another response also is a bit bad, like you can see the size of the logo. Also it is changed my design completely. I have placed it inside it. Also make the spelling mistake Dubai. So this is the response we got from the ChatGPT. So let's see, will it replace the design or not. So how you can do it inside the Canva, you can just simply go and add your logo inside it. Simply you can just select your client logo and just add it here, decrease the size, place it on the top right corner. Yeah, so it is as simple as that. You can also fix it the alignment as well, and download in the different version and send it to your client. So this is how it's possible inside the Canva. But when you tried this kind of changes inside the ChatGPT, so this kind of client feedback you got messed up basically. So let's try with the another revision we have from our client. So simply they are asking that they want the different background. Instead of a sky, they just want the different background of it. So I will just give our design whatever we have. So I just add my design and write my prompt like so. Meantime, we can try this thing inside the Canva. I'm just duplicating this design, and instead of it I will search the Dubai city here in the inside my elements tab, and I get couple of photos. So I think this one looks good, but this is not matching the vibe, and I will choose the image. But yeah, this one looks good, so I will use this and just place it here. So simply I can do it inside the Canva by simply adjusting it without harming any of my design elements. So I can just decrease it, and so it will easily blend with the brand colors, which is the background color is blue. So how easy it is to make the changes inside the Canva if you are doing the design. But let's see how ChatGPT is handling this kind of changes. It did one mistake. First of all, like move my main subject behind the canvas. So this is the one mistake. Even I can't able to fix this because we don't have edit permission in the here. And yeah, so you can see here it is again change the alignment of the design, also make the button is too high. Yeah, so this kind of mistake ChatGPT can handle. So if you are using ChatGPT for your design project, maybe you will lose the detailing of your design projects. So what do you think, will AI actually replace the designer? Because as a designer you need to be responsible for very precise output the client is expecting from your side. So before using ChatGPT or any other AI tool for your design process, is it good for generate images, generate ideas, and generating the layout and the different variation for it? But it is not that much good. You can generate the final output by using it. So this is my thought. I just want to love your thoughts on this AI takeaway. So just let me know into the comments. So this is for this video. Let me know your content ideas as well. I will definitely create videos on it. So till then, take care of yourself, tata and bye bye. See you into the next amazing video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe because we are creating amazing stuff for you. So till then,